Today I went to a craft store and I made a fairy house, and it was very hard to make, but I did it very good. It was so cool that I loved how I made it. In the end, it was awesome. So it was super duper cool. I decided to make the bottom pink because it's magical. And I love how I used butterflies and flowers. My very own creation of my own flower and butterfly world. Super nice. And at the very end, I got a fairy that could sit down anywhere. So it was super duper cool with the lights on. It was awesome cool. Don't you see? It is super duper cool. See my imagination? Very nice, huh? Good job. You finished my story almost. So now it's almost done. It's super cool. Bye.